In today's video we will be introducing Repocket and reviewing what we've learned. Repocket is the newest digital passive income that helps you sell your unused bandwidth for profit. This passive income is super easy, and if you have an Android phone and extra bandwidth, you already have everything you need to start making a small passive income. The app is still in beta and only available for Android at the time of making this video. However, the only bug I've seen is needing to reconnect it now and then. For the most part, this only seems to happen when I restart my phone or when I connect to a new network. To fix this, I click on the More icon in the bottom right-hand corner and turn off and on again the Share Internet toggle. After toggling the Share Internet icon, my disconnect notification changes back to connected. Repocket has a nice dashboard with all of the same features you will find in its competitors. They're also offering a $5 bonus to anyone signing up with this link. Don't worry, I'll put a link in the description if you would like to give it a try. They also have a referral program, so you can help others earn and to help track your bonuses from anyone you have referred. You can see how many devices you have connected and tips to help you earn more. If we go back to the More icon, again the More icon is at the bottom right-hand corner. You'll find all of the settings we have access to, a nice help area to get answers, and ways to access Twitter and Discord. I've only been using this app for 2 days, and I've already sold over 1 gigabyte in data. Repocket is a very easy to use app. Please feel free to claim your $5 using the referral link, it's waiting for you in the description. Also, please feel free to take advantage of any of the other referral links I use to provide myself with a passive income.
In today's video we'll be reviewing Repocket. We'll also be checking out the new features of the app, as they have given us a great update, and it looks like this young app is starting to move out of beta. When checking my email, I found a notification from Repocket, informing me that the application has expanded its services past the Android OS limitation. For those unfamiliar with Repocket, Repocket is a bandwidth sharing app that lets you sell your extra unused bandwidth to third parties. It's a nice small passive income. You'll never get rich doing this, but you can make a little extra beer money. Let's download the Windows version of their new app and see how hard it is to get it set up, see if we run into any issue with it, and see how hard it is to start earning a small passive income with it. It took no time to download it all. Now let's see how the installation of the app goes. You will get a warning screen as this is a new app and Windows is unfamiliar with it. Simply click on More Information and then click on Run Anyways. Installation has taken no time at all, and we've had no issues so far. Let's let the program boot up fully, and we'll sign in and see if we have any issues. The program has booted up very fast. Now let's sign in and see how that goes. We're now fully logged into the app, and this platform is now making a small passive income selling my extra unused bandwidth to third parties. Let's take a look at the dashboard and see how much we've earned so far. I've not used Repocket for very long. This app was recommended to me by a viewer and friend. I've liked the app so far, and the only issue I've had with it is the need to update the software often. I guess because this company is newer that is to be expected, but the need to update the app often has limited my earnings and required me to babysit the app. As you can see, having this app installed on my passive income earning systems has earned me a total of $6.11, and I've earned that almost 100% passively. The only real work I've put into it is checking that that program is running and updating the app when needed. I can't wait to give some of these other OS versions a try. It would be great to have this running on a Raspberry OS. Please feel free to take advantage of this and all the other passive income programs that I enjoy the benefits from. You can find all of the links in the description. Most have a signing bonus. Repocket comes with a $5 bonus just for signing up via my referral link.